Today we're unboxing the Lepro Ultraviolet flashlight, and this one has 51 LEDs and it puts out 395 nanometer ultraviolet light. And it comes in a very simple box. Open it up, you'll find yourself the torch, some instructions, and essentially that is it. So in here we have our torch. It's a very nice looking one. I think the design is overall nice to look at. You've got your instruction manual, which doesn't really have too much to it, of course, as it is just simply open it up, put in some batteries, and then you're good to go with an off and on switch. So here we go with the actual torch itself. It's quite nice. It's an all metal construction, and at the back you'll find the battery compartment. So open this up and then simply slide out the plastic piece, which allows you to install 3 AA batteries. And follow the instructions that are on the metal parts at the top, and you'll see you've got to put a positive in here, and then the other ones are going to be 2 negatives up. So we'll put them in, and then we're good to go. I'd recommend using rechargeable batteries with this. Of course, I'm using disposable just for this example, but I've actually got a bunch of rechargeable ones, and you'll save yourself a lot of money in the long term. And you'll notice that I put the plastic piece back in with the arrow pointing inwards so that it's back in the correct direction. Now it's a matter of screwing it back in, and then we're good to go. The back there is an actual switch, and it's got a relatively good action overall, feels nice and clicky. And I would say overall the light here is very short range. There's other UV torches that are a bit better at going a bit more distance. This one's very good up close. However, it is not good even just a meter or two out. But if you're looking for something to do close range, so for me, I'm going to be using this to cure UV resin, and it'll take a couple of minutes to do it, but this will work. I'll also note that the label in the middle here has been deliberately made in a piece that can be removed easily with limited residue. So this is actually quite good. There will be a couple of bits of glue, but these will come off with a cloth very easily, and it makes it just have a nicer, cleaner look overall. And it's nice that they went ahead and made a label there that can be taken off so easily. So there you go. Really nice torch and a good purchase overall.